Hi, and today we're going to be going through the vertical mounting. The vertical mount is installed by first identifying the straps which wrap around the set vertically. Either end of the strap has a buckle for mounting. This must be installed with the shoulder restraint buckles facing towards the front of the vehicle. The horizontal straps of the vertical mount should be positioned behind the vehicle's head support. If available, this will prevent forward rotation in the mounting. Once the straps are installed, it is time to connect the crotch strap. This can be done threading the latch through the grey indicators. This setting can be fine-tuned and you can adjust the crotch strap position further. Please ensure that the ISOFIX clip that they are pushed out of reach. Then you can use the harness in either the pre-fitted mode or the car mode, as shown later in the series.